and you end up looking for your solar panels the next day. So the design which we did is 6 year, another 6 year. This was not the actual design in mind. We observed that if we should use the down part, his neighbor might want to put his own solar panel, so we couldn't use that side. We decided to do 6-6. Since this is his own apartment, we are on the roof to this very client's apartment. So 6 year, another 6 year, because we have 12 units of 500 watt panels from Seaworld. So still watch out how we are going to do the laying and how we are going to tie the bolt and nut, and show you how firm it becomes immediately you bolt the nut to the panels. So just watch out. Set 2 panels up. Don't forget, the first thing you have to do is to slot in your positive to your negative, because the whole 6 panels here will be in series. So the first thing, connect your cable, because if you didn't connect your cable or you forgot to connect one, at the end of the day you end up losing the whole panels in order for you to trace the problem. So you have to slot in the positive to the negative this way, because the whole 6 panels here will be in series. Don't forget to press it very hard. Yeah. So the next thing is to arrange our panel in order for us to bolt it. Up a bit. It's okay. Is the spanner with you or with me? Okay, spanner is with me. The left side should go up a bit. Up. Yeah. And don't forget to align your panels so that your work will look very clean like mine. We have to shift it this side. If not, we will not get our measurement. Back a bit. Shift it a little. A little. I'm watching this line. Yeah. Okay. Shift it. Oh, I'll need plier. The stuff is moving. We'll need plier. Leave it, let me see. Though we are not done tying it yet, but you can see the panels are already steady. They are stationary, they are not moving. But don't forget to bolt it very well, because if you don't bolt it very well, the panels will end up sliding down. So I'll take plier now to support the bolt because it's moving, in order for me to tie the knot. So this is how you lay your panels or you install your solar panels when using aluminium profile. It's very easy to go with. If you're a beginner, this is the best way to install solar panels instead of using bandy wires. Leave this side. So finally, we are done with the installation of the 12 unit of 500 watt solar panels from Seaworld. You know, I taught you guys how to lay your profile, how to now lay your panels, put your bolt and nuts and stuff like that. The last thing you shouldn't forget is to hide your wire in case you do a connection like this, where there is a detachment or where there is a separation between the 2 strings of panels. Don't forget to put your panel cable in a pipe to avoid rusting. So here, I know some of you may be wondering what happens to the edges of the panels, since the bolt and nut is just between the 2 panels and the other panels, not on the side of the panels. So this is what it looks like from the edges. Don't forget, you have to drill a screw, or you have to get bolt and nut and maybe get a pipe and you know, put your pipe in between the panel, and your bolt and nut will go through the pipe in order for you to tie the edges. But like the way I do mine, I just drill a screw through the aluminium profile, through the panel profile to the aluminium profile. So if you can see, it's very, very firm because this is attached to the roof, then this is attached to the profile. That is how I hold the edges of the solar panels throughout. So with this, you don't have fear, you don't have to be afraid of breeze or wind taking your panels away, because your panels are firmly attached to your roof, except maybe your roof will be removed together with the panels, but the panels on their own cannot just go out because they are firmly attached to the roof. So this is the best way to install your solar panels to avoid stories, because some locations or some places have high wind or high breeze that will affect your panels at the end of the day if you don't hold them very well to the roof. So stop using bandy wire to hold your solar panels to the roof. Like I told you guys, when you use aluminium profile, there will be an air space. You can see there is a space, my hand can go down, that's beneath the panels. So if there is airspace like this, there will be airflow underneath the solar panels, and instead of your cells getting burned, because if there is no separation between your panel and the roof, the temperature will be too high and the cells might end up having problem. But with this style of installation using the aluminium profile or the proper rack, there will be airflow underneath your solar panels, and your solar panels will be working very, very fine, giving you a very good efficiency. So everything here is like 6 kilowatts. I know on the floor we might be getting like 2 point something kilowatt because sun is by this side. This other one will be generating more energy compared to this. So this is the best position because the roof is not flat and there is nowhere else we can use. So we have to install 6 here and another 6 here. This will generate at least some energy during the evening, and this will generate some energy in the morning. But during the peak hours from 11, 12, 1 and 2, the sun will be directly on both panels and you generate around 4 point something kilowatt or even 3 point something kilowatt and above. So this is the best way to install your solar panels using aluminium profile.